There's a couple of alternatives if you don't want to have tile that look kind of moldy and nasty in your shower. One is to use laminated wall panels. With the laminated panels, there's some fun options like modern farmhouse, modern minimalist, and contemporary styles. Another option is our PVC-backed composite panels. Those look just like tile or stone and are very simple to install.
So you have the look and the feel of tile, but you don't have the grout lines to maintain.
When you look at shower pans, the mosaic tiles and the fiberglass pans that get brown and dirty are really nasty. So we recommend products like a one-level solid surface base or the reinforced acrylic bases to make cleaning very simple and straightforward.
Cultured marble and cultured granite, solid surface pans. We also have a wet room floor, which is like a roll-in where you're all-in-one shower floor.
When you're dealing with a toilet or a vanity that is floor-based, it can really be nasty at the bottom. So we recommend things like wall-hung vanities that get them off the ground and make it real simple to clean underneath.
You can clean under it. It's sleek looking, very, very modern.
Vanity tops that are vessel sinks or they're undermounted can be difficult to clean. We recommend a single-pieced unit vanity top. The solid surface or cultured stone make a much simpler top to clean than the old-style vessel sinks or undermounts.
The bowl itself is actually molded into the countertop, so there's no seams, and it makes it very easy for cleaning.
You can get different size bowls, different depths, different shapes, but with a solid surface, there are many different options, many different depths, many different sizes.
Frame doors, quite frankly, are a pain in the butt. So we recommend things like we've got a glass enclosure system that is unframed, or maybe a glass block shower system that removes the door altogether, or a product called a shower screen that has a pivoting frameless glass door that make it a simple process to clean.